Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having such a cute week. So as promised, today's video is a super exciting one. It's on one of my favorite childhood cartoons ever, Moon Prism Power! Sailor Moon. So I'm going to be reviewing the Sailor Moon Colourpop collaboration. Sorry, there's other things in this box. I've had it for quite a while. I do know this box has sold out, but I do know they are getting it back into stock because I was checking Trendmood. I think Trendmood said they're getting it back into stock, and they are having it at Ulta, but because of the whole situation, people can't go into Ulta stores to get it. So I'm not sure if it's an Ulta online. You'll have to correct me, but it is coming back into stock, and I really just want to review it because I love Sailor Moon so much. So if you want to see how I get my Moon Prism power on, definitely keep on watching Moon Prism Power! I know I said I was going to upload videos on Monday, and what day is it? Tuesday, but I don't know. I've just been feeling very in mixed emotions. It's just such a long story, guys. I'll probably have to go into it into another video, but it's just been quite a hard few days for me, but it's fine. I feel like creating content is definitely just a distraction, and I feel super relaxed when doing it, and it doesn't make my mind wander to other things. So let's just get into it, period. The Sailor Moon collection is super cute. What I love is the palettes. Look, when you move them, they actually have like a little GIF moment. I'm not sure if you can see it on here, but you can see her mouth moving. This palette is super cute. Let me open it for you. This is called the Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon palette. It looks like that. I'm not gonna lie, when I show it, it actually matches my background perfectly. When I see this, I don't see a lot of depth. I don't see, you know, a lot of brown girl, brown boy friendly colors. It's very bright. When I think of Sailor Moon, I don't think of her, because obviously in the cartoon, if you guys ever used to watch it, she doesn't wear a lot of makeup. She just wears a lot of blush. So I can see where they came through with the blushes. So these are the blushes. They have the same kind of moment on them. So when you move them, they kind of move as a GIF. This one is called From the Moon, and it has Luna's face in there. So if you don't watch Sailor Moon, it's picking up kind of darker, but it's actually quite bright. Luna is Sailor Moon's cat, the one that can speak. I watched pretty much all of Sailor Moon's episodes except for the ones where Sailor Saturn and Sailor whatever her name is get introduced. And this is the same kind of blush, but it has more sparkle. And okay, it's fine. Okay. It's fine. And we have some lip blotted lips. So we're going to try this as well. We're going to get started right into the eyes. And also, we also have these as well. So these are, I've never tried these before. These are Colourpop glitters. What are these called? I think they're like glitters. You can use them in the eyes. One of them is called Moon Prism Power! And the other one's called Moonlight Legend. So I definitely have to use Moon Prism Power because that's my favorite saying. So let's get involved into the eyes. Because the palette is quite bright, I'm gonna need like some kind of color that's gonna, you know, just sit in my crease quite well. So I'm gonna go into the Jacket Eyeliner palette quite quickly. I'm gonna use the shade Ginger, I think, just so we've got some kind of, oh, this palette looks busted, girl. I'm just gonna go into that quickly and just kind of stamp that in and kind of just put that in the crease because I just don't know, like the palette's quite pastel-y, so I don't want it to look mad on my skin tone. So I'm just gonna lay down something very quickly just so we can get into this. I'm actually not sure what to do with this palette. I think I'm gonna go in with Miracle Romance. Oh, it doesn't even have a mirror. Oh my god, how annoying. I'm literally just gonna stamp this in the crease. I'm gonna have to use my Ricky mirror because this is a bit crazy, but to be fair, I think because it's so cheap, they don't really need to put a mirror in there. I'm stamping this shade on because I'm not sure what the pigment's like, but so far, so good. Have any of you guys got this Flight palette or like collection? Because I know the collection sold out, I think in like 10 minutes, which is crazy. Not a pigment on this color. Maybe I should have put down a P. Louise base, but it's a pretty shade though. I feel like on me though, it doesn't look the same, but I feel like with pastel shades and deeper skin tones, they normally don't look the same. Well, it is pretty, but it's kind of like a light wash. Okay, so guys, so far I've just layered that color called Miracle Romance. There is a lot of fallout. It's kind of hard because I don't have anything deeper, and I don't really want to use anything else like from not within the palette. So I'm like, this look's just gonna have to be freestyled. By the way, I'm gonna be also announcing the giveaway winners for both of my videos that I did giveaways on at the end of the video or in between. So definitely make sure you keep on watching, boo. Okay, so I'm legit gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna use a P. Louise Acid Rain brush and then just work here because I'm just gonna have to try and do a madness, guys, because not gonna lie, this palette isn't kind of deep tone friendly, which I kind of get because Sailor Moon isn't she isn't black, point blank period. But I'm gonna use the collection because I'm a huge fan of her and I love the cartoon. So we'll make it work, guys. We'll make it work. So I'm literally just stamping this out. Okay, so we've cut our crease. What I really want to do is I really want to stamp some of this yellow, which is called Justice, and then do Luna. I'm not sure if that's gonna look nice though, but let's just try it. Who cares? Like, it's all about taking risks. So let's try this. Oh god, there's a bit of kickback on this. Let's try this Luna color. Oh my god, I really should have put powder down. It's not as bright as I thought it was gonna be, but yellows are actually so hard to like master. Make sure just pressing it down. It's not that bad, but I definitely should have put. Oh, actually looks nice on camera. I definitely should have put some powder under my eye. How's everyone been? I feel like I ask this every video. How's everyone's isolation going? Are you going crazy yet? Have you run out of snacks? What things are you watching? I think I'm just done with Netflix in the moment just because I tried to get into Ozark, but it was just so dry. I don't have time for 3 seasons, sis. So I'm basically watching, if you guys are real, you know, down low, I'm watching Bad Girls Club because HeyYou, which is a UK streaming service, have all of the Bad Girls Club episodes from the All Stars to season 1. Just insane. If you can hear a fan, it's because it's very hot in my apartment. I'm gonna take Luna, this purple color. The purple actually turns out really nice, but I had to press hard, guys. Let's try Luna. Let's see if this shows up just as pretty. Do purple and yellow go together? So I'm just gonna put Luna here. Ooh, Luna's pretty. So to minimize for them, I'm kind of like tilting my head that way. But Luna's a vibe. Luna is definitely a vibe. Luna's kind of got that duochrome moment going on. Definitely galaxy vibes. I'm gonna give my verdict after the video, but I actually really like the shade of this, but it looks super pretty. Okay, so for the last color, I might go into something a bit deeper. I might go into the shade Love, which is this kind of like pinky shade. So let's hope this works, girl, because at the moment I'm giving you very, oh my god, this is so pigmented. Look at the pigment. Okay, let's just see how this looks. This eye looks a bit crazy, I'm not gonna lie. It's not a wearable look, but it's fine. It's not something I always do, but ooh, do I look like Sailor Moon yet? Okay, so this is what the eye looks like, all kind of like blended out. I kind of really like it. It's very futuristic. Is it a look that you could wear every day? No, I'm gonna add some liner. Obviously, when we add lashes, I really want to add some of the glitter on top. So I'm gonna add some liner off camera quickly. But there was a bit of fall down, so I'm gonna have to like sweep that underneath. But so far, it is a really good palette for what it is. But okay, so I did a bit of liner. I just felt like I needed to do liner, guys, because I feel like on my skin tone, without something to line the eyes, it's gonna look a bit. Ooh. Oh my god, is this real glitter? So this is Moon Prism Power. Let me just feel it. Is this real like, oh wow. It's like a proper glitter. I'm not sure. I might try and take the concealer brush I put on. I'm just scared because you know glitter sometimes can go in the eye. So I'm literally just gonna dip that in there. It's a really weird consistency. It's like a gel. I'm just gonna pull it on the purple bit. Ooh. Oh my god, that is beautiful. What? What? Oh my god, this is beautiful. Can I do the upper eye? I'm trying to think if it's lifting the shadow though. So my top lip is sweating like a bitch. Oh, I like that. Let me put a tiny bit more. I might go overboard with it. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do because I'm gonna go overboard. I'm gonna quickly throw some of my lashes on and then we can carry on. I don't even know what color to use in the lash line, so I've put on some lashes and I feel like the look is coming together. I might use these two on my bottom lash line. So this is Love and Tuxedo Rose. If you know Tuxedo Mask. Oh, should I use the purple? I might use the purple actually. I'm gonna use the purple and Love. I'm gonna use Miracle Romance and Love just because it kind of just ties into the look really, because child, you know what? And then we're just gonna use that shade Love to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna add an inner tear duct. I put that under my eye. I really like it. I'm trying to think what to use in the corner. I might use Full Moon. These feel amazing. I forgot to use these ones. These are like kind of like pressed glitters, but I definitely might use Full Moon just for the vibe. What are you guys thinking? This eye is very bright, but we definitely need like an inner corner highlight. Let's just try this. Ooh, very yellow gold. It definitely kind of like opens up the look of it though. Yes. Okay, so I added some highlight. I did my Nabla Lucent Jungle. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that it's my favorite highlight of the moment. Period poo. Blushes. I feel like I want to go for something matte, so I'm gonna go for From the Moon, which is so cute. I have to give it to Colourpop. The packaging is insane for this collection. If you are a Sailor Moon fan, I can definitely see why they're sold out. The eyeshadow palette looks cute. The eyes look nice. Yeah, we'll wait till the end of the video. But yeah, I'm gonna use this blush. I'm gonna use a tiny bit. Oh, these are pigmented. It's just not kind of a pink blush. I would, actually, no, it looks nice. It looks nice. It's just very, very pink. It's nice. It's just very pink. I'm gonna use the other one. This one's called Cat's Eye. I just love the little gif. It's so cute. And this one is just a bit more sparkly, so I'm gonna put that on top. Blush is pretty. It's actually really, really nice. Definitely not a pink I would gravitate towards too, but it's a pretty blush. It's nice, you know. It's a moment. So we have these blotted lips, and the colors are kind of scaring me because they're so light. I'm trying to think, should I do like a pinky or a coral? Let me swatch these for you. They're blotted, so oh, they feel really sheer. That color is actually really nice. This is called Bunhead, which they call Serena Bunhead, and the other one's called Usagi. Actually, Usagi is kind of nice. It's a bit more muted. I might go for Usagi because Bunhead's a bit more on the bright side, and because we've got so much on the eyes, it's just gonna look, you know, a bit cray cray. I'm gonna use my Colourpop BFF liner. Would that be a bit too dark though? Let's just see. Okay, let's try this ultra blotted lip. I've never tried this formula, but I'm just a bit shook. So actually feels actually really nice. Well, these are sheer. What the hell? Sorry guys, someone literally ran me mid through filming, but the lips dried down super nice. It's very, very matte, and it's a bit patchy, but it's fine. I'm gonna add one of these glosses. These glosses look super cute. Ooh, so one's called Moon Tiara. Magic! And one's called Sailor Moon. So I think I'm gonna add Sailor Moon because it's just very fitting for the look. Oh, I don't really like these applicators. I'm not gonna lie. They're a bit annoying, but it's fine. We move. Let's see, what's this like? These are ultra glossy. Ooh, these glosses are nice. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Moon, Prism, Power. So I'm gonna run through all the products for you and just let you guys know what I quickly think before I announce the giveaway winners. So the first thing is the palette. I'm a huge fan of Sailor Moon, and I'm happy that I got the collection because I'm such a big fan of Sailor Moon. She's actually my MacBook background. I just love her so much. But the palette for me was just a bit, I feel like it would suit someone much of a lighter skin tone. Obviously Sailor Moon is a Japanese anime cartoon, so I think they were aiming it for that kind of skin tone. But I think any skin tone can use this, but you're gonna have to use different shades to get that kind of depth. And I feel like this eye's nice, but I wouldn't wear it out. It's just very much just for the video, but it's cute over less, and it's a really like beautiful packaging. But other than that, it is what it is. These are super beautiful, super nice. They're a bit chunky, you can't feel them on the lid, but I feel like they can make any eye look really, really beautiful. These are really, really nice. I'll probably pick up this one, but this one's really nice as well, so I'll probably use this in another video. But I feel like it kind of gave the eye the kind of punch it needed, so these are pretty. The blushes, I think the blushes are too similar. I feel like they should have done different shades. I feel like one's basically just shimmery and one's just matte, and they're very the same tone of pink. They are really nice. I wouldn't reach for them as much as my other blushes, especially my Lottie one, but they are pretty, and again the packaging is super bomb. The blotted lips, I did like these, but the colors were just a bit They're just one not me, as you can see there. They are really, really nice. I like the way Usagi dried down. But again, just it is what it is. Also with the, oops, almost dropped it. With the glosses, I don't really like the applicator. The colors are pretty, but it's not my favorite gloss. The collection for me is pretty, but do you need to buy it? If you are a Sailor Moon fan, I'll definitely say get it. But for me, it kind of just, it looks pretty, but for me, it was kind of just like, it didn't give that punch. But I'm definitely keeping it everything because I'm a Sailor Moon fan and the packaging for me is super, super beautiful. But if I was going to get something, I'd probably say get the lip blotters are really nice. I'd probably say get the palette because of the animation on the front. But other than that, you don't have to break in it to get it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And now it's time for the giveaway winners. So, I did screenshots of it. So this, the first winner is Jero S London, and he commented on my ASOS video. He always shows love. I always see you in the comments. Thank you so much, babe. You have won the ASOS gift voucher. And the other winner of the MAC lip gift set is T-Mac 1963. I've already commented under the video to say you've won. Congratulations, babe. You always leave me the longest paragraphs and the longest comments, and they really mean a lot to me. You really make me smile, and thank you so much for always appreciating love. Don't worry, guys, there'll be so much more giveaways while I'm doing videos, and continue to show some love, and I continue to show you some love. Don't forget to look out for next week's video or this week's video, and have a good week, guys. Bye.